If you need a free AI thumbnail maker, don't worry guys, because I'll show you how to make thumbnails like these with your face in them completely for free. This tutorial, I will be showing you how to turn a simple drawing plus your selfie into a thumbnail just like this using Gemini, and you could do it completely for free. This is like the workflow on Gemini that I used in order to create this. I uploaded this simple drawing and these three thumbnails right here, this one and this one and this one. And then I uploaded a selfie and I just told it to make a thumbnail in the style of that simple drawing. And it just put on this text right here. And I just ended up changing the text. I told it to change the text to Gemini did this because I think it looks a little bit better. And if you're not good at explaining yourself to Gemini, you could just do a simple drawing. So just come over to Canva, click on YouTube thumbnail, and it's going to bring up a blank thumbnail. And then you could just go ahead and draw what you want. So you come over here to the left hand side and you click on tools and then click on this drawing tool, and you could change it to whatever color you want and draw something simple like a person right here. It's very simple. You don't have to have any type of drawing skills. A shocked person, and I could just hold up, I don't know, maybe a t-shirt or something like that, and it'll say AI Web TV. I'm going to run out of space to write it. But this is just to give you guys an idea of how you can get your point across to Gemini. And then you can say you want like a blurry studio background or something like that. So I'll just save this real quick and I'll just save it as shirt drawing so I can remember. I'll click save. And then I'll come over here to Gemini and I'll click on new chat. And then I'll upload that image, that simple image, shirt drawing. Okay. And then I'll also upload the selfie of me so I can replace this guy with my selfie. And I'll just say, I want you to create a YouTube thumbnail based on the simple drawing that I uploaded and replace the guy in the drawing with me, which I uploaded a selfie of me. I'm just gonna tell it to make sure you keep my features the same. All right, and then I'll say I'm holding a shirt that says AI Web TV. Okay, this is just a simple process just to show you guys how to do it. Now you could create your thumbnails however you want. You can come up with your own crazy idea. So there you go. And now from here you could change it. I forgot to say I could say, can you make me in a home studio? And the background is sort of out of focus with ambient lighting and a blue Photoshop glow around me. All right, so you can just change it up from there. You just tell it how you want it to edit it. And now you guys can basically, okay, so sometimes it forgets like who you are. So instead I'll just change it and I'll say around the man. And say, instead of saying around me, I'll say around the man, and then it'll figure it out because sometimes it doesn't understand. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me edit it. Can you make, I can't put me. I gotta say the man. There we go. Now we'll update it again. So sometimes if you say me, it gets confused and it wants to use your Google Photos and everything. So just say the man or the woman, whoever you are making the thumbnail. And so there you go. And then if you want to change it up, you could just talk to Gemini and change it up. But it's literally that simple. You just upload a selfie. And if you have trouble explaining how you want your thumbnail, just do a simple drawing on Canva and upload it like that. That's one method that I haven't really seen people do, but I feel like it could help some people if you're not good at explaining yourself or really trying to get your concept through. Or if Gemini's creating something, you're like, no, I don't really want it like that. I want it like this. Just do a simple drawing and it'll get a better idea of what you want. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.